How to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS device. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on three bars given at the top left corner. Click on the settings icon. Now navigate to the section Account Center. Open it. Once you're on this page, now head over to the option Password and Security. Click on the option where you are logged in. Click on a Facebook username. With that, you're going to find the list of the devices where your Messenger account is logged in. Click on the option Select Devices to log out. Now check in for all the devices from where you want to log out. Click on Logout. Are you sure you'll no longer be logged in on the selected devices? Click on Logout. With that, your account will be logged out. Likewise, next option is you can uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall it. That way, you will need to again log into your Messenger account. Press and hold on the Messenger app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App. Once you have deleted the app, now launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Messenger. After app appears, install it. Once the app has been installed, launch it. Now you will need to log in. You can see that. So this way you are able to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS device. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.